Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. This is part 2 of our series on mastering gear shifting, the key to transmission safety. In this continuation, we'll build on the fundamentals covered in part 1 and explore advanced techniques to enhance your driving skills. Let's take your gear shifting to the next level. When to shift gears correctly. Knowing when to shift gears is crucial for maintaining a smooth driving experience and prolonging the life of your vehicle's transmission. Whether you're driving an automatic or manual transmission, understanding the right time to shift can improve your car's performance and fuel efficiency. Here's a breakdown of when to shift gears correctly for both types of transmissions. For automatic transmissions, pay attention to RPM. Automatic transmissions are designed to shift gears on their own based on engine speed and load. To ensure optimal performance, pay attention to your car's RPM, revolutions per minute. When the RPM reaches a certain point, typically between 2000 and 3000 RPM, the transmission will automatically shift to the next gear for you. Avoid abrupt acceleration. Sudden acceleration can confuse the transmission's shifting patterns and lead to jerky gear changes. Gradually increase your speed to allow the automatic transmission to shift smoothly between gears. Use overdrive. Many automatic transmissions come with an overdrive setting, which is designed for fuel efficiency at higher speeds. Activate the overdrive function when cruising on the highway to lower the RPM and improve gas mileage. For manual transmissions, listen to your engine. In a manual transmission, you have full control over when to shift gears. Pay attention to the sound of your engine when it sounds strained or revving too high. It's time to shift to a higher gear. Conversely, if the engine is lugging or feels sluggish, downshifting to a lower gear can provide more power. Master the clutch. Proper clutch control is essential for smooth gear shifts in a manual transmission. Press the clutch pedal fully when shifting gears and release it gradually to engage the new gear smoothly. Avoid riding the clutch, as this can lead to premature wear and tear. Practice makes perfect. Shifting gears in a manual transmission takes practice to master. Spend time getting to know your car's gear ratios and the optimal shifting points for different driving conditions. With experience, you'll develop a feel for when to shift gears seamlessly. By understanding the nuances of shifting gears correctly, whether in an automatic or manual transmission, you can maximize your driving experience and ensure a long-lasting transmission. Practice patience and attentiveness behind the wheel to develop a smooth shifting technique that benefits both your vehicle and your driving enjoyment. Best practices for safe driving. Driving safely is a crucial aspect of being on the road. Follow these best practices to ensure a safe journey for yourself and others. Coming to a complete stop before shifting. When approaching a stop sign or a red light, it's essential to come to a complete stop before shifting gears. This action allows you to assess the situation around you and make informed decisions regarding the next steps. Abruptly shifting without stopping can lead to accidents or confusion among other drivers. Understanding traffic rules and signals. Familiarizing yourself with traffic rules and signals is fundamental for safe driving. Pay attention to speed limits, right-of-way rules, and traffic signals to navigate the road smoothly. Ignoring these rules can not only result in fines but also pose a risk to your safety and that of others. Utilizing the parking brake. The parking brake, also known as the emergency brake, is a valuable tool that many drivers overlook. Using the parking brake when parked on an incline can prevent your vehicle from rolling unexpectedly. It provides an additional layer of safety and stability, especially in hilly or uneven terrains. Remember, safe driving habits not only protect you but also contribute to a safer environment for everyone on the road. Stay alert, follow traffic rules, and prioritize safety at all times. Maintenance tips to ensure proper functioning. Regular transmission inspections. When it comes to keeping your vehicle running smoothly, regular transmission inspections play a crucial role. By having your transmission checked by a qualified mechanic at recommended intervals, you can catch any potential issues early on and prevent costly repairs down the line. During these inspections, the technician will look for signs of wear and tear, leaks, and proper fluid levels to ensure optimal performance. Fluid checks and replacements. One of the most important maintenance tasks you can do for your vehicle is to check and replace fluids regularly. Transmission fluid is essential for lubricating moving parts, cooling the system, and ensuring smooth gear shifts. Over time, this fluid can break down and become contaminated, leading to poor performance and potential damage. By following the manufacturer's recommendations for fluid checks and replacements, you can help extend the life of your transmission and prevent major issues. Professional servicing and repairs. While DIY maintenance can help keep your vehicle in good condition, certain tasks are best left to the professionals. When it comes to transmission servicing and repairs, relying on a qualified technician with the right tools and expertise is essential. Whether it's a routine service or a complex repair, trusting a professional can ensure that the job is done correctly and efficiently, keeping your vehicle running smoothly for miles to come. We've covered advanced techniques and common mistakes to avoid, all aimed at improving your transmission safety. Keep practicing, and remember, smooth gear shifting leads to a smoother drive. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.